You walk into your workplace in the United States. The door opens. You see coworkers. You hear voices around you. Someone looks at you and says something simple but important. These small sentences shape your whole workday. Today, we will practice daily English sentences for work so you can feel calm, clear, and confident from morning to evening. Take a slow breath. You are not late. You are not behind. This is your practice time. We will go slowly. You will listen first, then you will repeat. Take your time. In American workplaces, people use short and polite sentences. They value clarity. They value friendliness. You do not need long or perfect English. You need simple sentences that work. Let's begin with arriving at work. Now listen carefully. You walk in and see someone. You can say, "Good morning." Repeat after me. "Good morning." Good. Again, "Good morning." If it is later in the day, you can say, "Good afternoon." Repeat, "Good afternoon." Nice. Sometimes people say, "Morning." Repeat, "Morning." Simple and natural. They may ask you a question. They say, "How are you?" This is a friendly greeting. You do not need a long answer. Repeat after me. "I'm good, thank you." Good. You can also say, "I'm doing well." Repeat, "I'm doing well." Or, "I'm fine, thanks." Repeat, "I'm fine, thanks." Very good. Let's continue. A coworker may say, "How's your morning going?" Repeat after me. "It's going well." Good. Or, "It's busy." Repeat, "It's busy." Or, "It's a little hectic." Repeat, "It's a little hectic." All are okay. Now let's move to starting work. Sometimes people ask, "Are you ready to start?" Repeat after me. "Yes, I'm ready." Good. Or, "Almost ready." Repeat, "Almost ready." They may say, "Did you get my email?" Repeat after me. "Yes, I did." Good. Or, "Not yet." Repeat, "Not yet." Or, "I'll check now." Repeat, "I'll check now." Clear and professional. Let's continue. At work, people often ask about tasks. Someone may ask, "What are you working on?" Repeat after me. "I'm working on a report." Good. Or, "I'm finishing a task." Repeat, "I'm finishing a task." Or, "I'm helping a client." Repeat, "I'm helping a client." Very good. They may also ask, "Are you busy right now?" Repeat after me. "A little bit." Good. Or, "Yes, I am." Repeat, "Yes, I am." Or, "No, I'm free." Repeat, "No, I'm free." Nice and polite. Now listen carefully. Someone may ask, "Do you have a minute?" This means they want to talk. Repeat after me. "Sure." Good. Or, "One moment, please." Repeat, "One moment, please." Or, "Can we talk later?" Repeat, "Can we talk later?" Very natural. Let's continue. At work, people often ask for help. Someone says, "Can you help me with this?" Repeat after me. "Yes, I can help." Good. Or, "I'll try." Repeat, "I'll try." Or, "Let me check." Repeat, "Let me check." Professional and calm. If you need help, you can ask too. Repeat after me. "Can you help me, please?" Good. Or, "I need some help." Repeat, "I need some help." Or, "Could you explain this?" Repeat, "Could you explain this?" Very useful sentences. Now let's talk about meetings. In American offices, meetings are common. Someone may say, "We have a meeting today." Repeat after me. Okay, good. They may ask, "Are you joining the meeting?" Repeat after me. Yes, I will. Good. Or, I'll join soon. Repeat. I'll join soon. Or, I can't join today. Repeat. I can't join today. They may ask, "What time is the meeting?" Repeat after me. It's at 10 o'clock. Good. Or, it's at 2. Repeat. It's at 2. Or, I'm not sure. Repeat. I'm not sure. All are fine. Let's continue. During meetings, people use simple sentences. You can say, "I agree." Repeat after me. I agree. Good. Or, I understand. Repeat. I understand. Or, I have a question. Repeat. I have a question. If you do not understand, that is okay. Repeat after me. Can you explain that again? Good. Or, I didn't understand. Repeat. I didn't understand. Or, can you speak a little slower? Repeat. Can you speak a little slower? Very polite and normal. Now let's move to emails and messages. At work, people often talk about emails. Someone may say, "Did you send the email?" Repeat after me. Yes, I sent it. Good. Or, I'll send it now. Repeat. I'll send it now. Or, I haven't sent it yet. Repeat. I haven't sent it yet. They may say, "Please check your email." Repeat after me. Okay, I will. Good. Or, I'll check now. Repeat. I'll check now. Clear and professional. Let's continue. At work, people often talk about deadlines. Someone may ask, "When is it due?" Repeat after me. It's due today. Good. Or, it's due tomorrow. Repeat. It's due tomorrow. Or, next week. Repeat. Next week. They may ask, "Is it finished?" Repeat after me. Yes, it's done. Good. Or, almost done. Repeat. Almost done. Or, I'm still working on it. Repeat. I'm still working on it. Very useful. Now let's talk about breaks. In American workplaces, people talk about breaks casually. Someone may say, "Are you taking a break?" Repeat after me. Yes, just a short break. Good. Or, not yet. Repeat. Not yet. Or, I'll take a break later. Repeat. I'll take a break later. They may ask, "Do you want some coffee?" Repeat after me. Yes, please. Good. Or, no, thank you. Friendly and polite. Let's continue. Now let's practice phone and online work sentences. At work, people often talk on the phone. Someone may say, "Can you hear me?" Repeat after me. Yes, I can hear you. Good.
Or, not very well. Repeat. Not very well. They may ask, "Is now a good time?" Repeat after me. Yes, it is. Good. Or, not right now. Repeat. Not right now. Or, can I call you back? Repeat. Can I call you back? Very natural. They may say, "Please hold." Repeat after me. Okay. Good. Or, sure. Repeat. Sure. Now let's continue. At work, people often ask for updates. Someone may ask, "Any updates?" Repeat after me. Not yet. Good. Or, yes, I have an update. Repeat. Yes, I have an update. Or, I'm waiting for a response. Repeat. I'm waiting for a response. Very professional. They may ask, "Is everything okay?" Repeat after me. "Yes, everything is fine." "Good." Or, "I need a little time." Repeat. "I need a little time." Or, "There is a small issue." Repeat. "There is a small issue." Clear and honest. Let's continue. Now, let's talk about mistakes and problems. Everyone makes mistakes at work. That is normal. If something goes wrong, you can say, "I'm sorry." Repeat after me. "I'm sorry." Good. Or, "That was my mistake." Repeat. "That was my mistake." Or, "I'll fix it." Repeat. "I'll fix it." Very professional. If someone says sorry to you, you can say, "That's okay." Repeat after me. "That's okay." Good. Or, "No problem." Repeat. "No problem." Or, "It's fine." Repeat. "It's fine." Very common. Now let's move to leaving work. At the end of the day, people use friendly sentences. Someone may say, "Are you leaving now?" Repeat after me. "Yes, I am." Good. Or, "In a few minutes." Repeat. "In a few minutes." Or, "Not yet." Repeat. "Not yet." You can say goodbye politely. Repeat after me. "Have a good evening." Good. Or, "See you tomorrow." Repeat. "See you tomorrow." Or, "Have a good night." Repeat. "Have a good night." Very natural. Sometimes people say, "Have a good weekend." Repeat after me. "Thank you. You too." Good. Let's slow down for a moment. Think about your work day. These sentences appear again and again. In the morning, during work, in meetings, on calls, before going home. When you practice them, your confidence grows quietly. Now let's gently review with a natural flow. You arrive at work, you say, "Good morning." Someone asks, "How are you?" You say, "I'm good, thank you." They ask, "What are you working on?" You say, "I'm working on a report." They ask, "Are you busy right now?" You say, "A little bit." They ask, "Can you help me?" You say, "Sure, I can help." In a meeting, you say, "I understand." If you don't understand, you say, "Can you explain that again?" Before leaving, you say, "See you tomorrow." You see? Simple, clear, professional. Let's continue with a few more useful work sentences. Repeat after me. "I'll get back to you." Good. Repeat. "Let me know." Good. Repeat. "I'll follow up." Good. Repeat. "Please let me know." Good. Repeat. "I'll take care of it." Good. Repeat. "Thank you for your help." Good. Repeat. "I appreciate it." Good. These sentences make you sound polite and confident at work. Now take another calm breath. You are learning real English for real work situations. You do not need perfect grammar. You need clear sentences and calm delivery. Practice makes this easier every day. As you listen, you can repeat again. You can pause. You can imagine your own workplace, your desk, your coworkers, your manager, your phone ringing, your email inbox. You are building confidence step by step. Before we finish, remember this. Most people at work care about understanding, not perfection. Clear English and a calm tone are enough. A simple sentence can do a lot. Thank you for spending this time listening and practicing. I hope this helped your work English feel easier and more natural. This has been a calm practice together here at English Teaching Friends.
Please subscribe.